Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Hope you all are doing good. Today in this video let's see these things. So yesterday itself few people got date of joining mails again for September 26th, and then let's discuss few of your queries regarding onboarding. And many people are asking doubts regarding the online training courses that was mentioned in the mail. And then let's see your queries regarding action items and then accommodation etc. in this video. We all know that Accenture released its latest date of joining as 26 September, and in our previous videos also we saw that many people got that onboarding mails for 26 September. So latestly yesterday also Accenture released few more slots for 26 September. You can check this mail here. Yesterday at around 6:17 PM Accenture sent this mail. Again it was the same date, 26 September 2023. So from all the previous mails including yesterday, we can observe that Accenture sent date of joinings for all the roles, Ase, Advanced Ase and then Sasa people. And same slot 26 September 2023 was given to many people. So this is the latest update guys regarding onboarding. So yesterday evening itself they sent these mails. Hope other people who are still waiting for onboarding will also get soon. And then students who got onboarding are asking many queries regarding the countdown page. So basically there will be action items page. So many students are in confusion whether or not to fill the action items page now itself, and some of the students are saying we got onboarding but still details haven't changed in countdown page, like whatever the old details like Bangalore location and then December 31st 2024 as date of joining. So still those details aren't changed with the official date of joining and official location. So firstly whatever the date of joining and whatever location that are there in your mail, official mail from onboarding.doc.asc, so that is your original date of joining and that is your original location guys. So the same thing will be updated in countdown page, so please wait until it gets updated. For some students it is already updated. It is because some students got date of joining 3 to 4 days before than others. So please wait until it gets updated. And those students for whom it's updated, those students are asking should I fill the countdown page now itself or not. So one thing guys, there will be different forms and you have to upload different documents in that countdown page. So while filling those forms you may have many doubts because there will be different kinds of forms and different fields there. So basically they will conduct a meet and then they will explain on how to fill those things. And even for August 24 batch also they conducted that meet and they explained how to fill those forms. If you have any friends in August 24 batch, even you can ask them also. So my suggestion would be wait for that meet, because for 26 September still many days are there and some people are saying that I know everything so I can fill. So in that case it's your wish guys, and when they will conduct the meet depends on your point of contact guys. So usually there will be a point of contact for some set of people, so it depends on them when they will conduct that meet. And also check your date of joining mails guys. Once done, visit countdown to Accenture page to complete the required forms and provide necessary documentation. These will be accessible a week prior to your first day and must be completed before joining. So here they mentioned that these will be accessible a week prior to your first day and must be completed before joining. So since they mentioned 1 week and for September 26th still there is much time guys. And also they mentioned in case of any issues in accessing the site, check out these FAQs they mentioned. So my suggestion would be you can wait for some days, because for 26 September means still nearly 20 days was there. So hope you got clarity on that countdown page now, because many people are asking the doubts regarding the same. And for some people they already sent the point of contact details also, so other people also may get soon. Until then please wait. And then many of the people who got date of joining are asking these questions. So first question was, is onboarding physical or virtual? So the onboarding will be physical only guys. From past few months Accenture conducting onboardings physically only. So you will get all your details, your office location details and your onboarding venue details. So as you get nearer to your date of joining they will send all those details, don't worry. And then next question was, will Accenture provide accommodation? Yes guys, Accenture provides accommodation for 14 days and the accommodation was free of cost guys. I already told this in my previous videos, but still many people are asking this question. You can also check this information in Accenture official site guys. So they are saying that Accenture will bear the cost of 14 days of accommodation. Details of the same will be given to you as your onboarding date gets closer. And then when will I get my accommodation details? Accommodation details will be given to you as the date of joining gets closer. Kindly wait for the mail containing accommodation details. And Accenture will provide you a temporary accommodation for the first 14 days. Post this, the company would not engage in providing a permanent stay arrangement for you. So you can check all these things in the official website itself. And then many of you are asking question regarding PAN card. Is PAN card mandatory? Yes guys, definitely PAN card was mandatory. And if you check your date of joining mail, there they mentioned that it is important that you carry your original PAN card, which is a mandatory document for your onboarding process. Note this point guys here, original PAN card. So it is mandatory to have the PAN card. And also please note, if you fail to produce the original PAN card, you will not be able to complete your onboarding formalities and your date of joining will be postponed. E-PAN will not be accepted. So hope you got clarity on this guys. Original PAN card was mandatory. E-PAN will not be accepted. They mentioned it clearly. And then again many of you are asking this question regarding the online training courses. I received many number of questions regarding this, like what are these online training courses and should we complete all these courses. And many of you are also asking that whether these are primers modules. No guys, these are not the primers modules. For primers you will receive separate email and you can check in this mail that access a curated catalog of online courses. Complete as much or as little as you want at your own pace on your own time. So it's your own decision guys, like how much you want to learn. So you can learn as much as you want at your own pace and your own time. So they didn't made any mandatory things like you need to complete these many courses in this particular time. No guys, nothing was mentioned like that. So since your onboarding has much time, so you can learn at your own pace some of these courses. And in that site also they mentioned the same thing. And once if you check the courses guys, some of the courses are very small, like 0.4 hours, 0.3 hours. So most of the courses are very small. So since you are free until your onboarding, you can try to learn some of these courses at your own pace and your own comfort zone, allocating some of the time daily. There is no compulsion that all these courses have to be completed mandatorily. So in mail itself they mentioned complete as much or as little as you want. So hope you got clarity on this guys. This is not primers. For primers you will receive separate mail. So please wait for communication from them. And many of you are asking doubts regarding these topics also, like how much in hand salary for Ase, for advanced Ase, and then share day one experience, and then asking queries regarding primers and 10k bonus and regarding stream training. Regarding this I already made videos guys, so I am giving all these links in description. So if you want you can go and watch that videos on that particular topic. That's it for this video guys. Hope you all got clarity on them. Still if you have any doubts, you can join our Telegram group and ask there guys. I am giving the links in description. Thanks for watching the video guys. Do subscribe our channel and turn on notifications for all latest updates.